Welcome to Placement International. I'm here today with Ryan. Ryan, could you please introduce yourself, talk a little bit about yourself, about your background, and what led you to this opportunity?
Yeah. Hello, Anna. I'm Ryan. I'm from East Java, Indonesia, and I'm currently a J1 program, take a J1 program as an intern in the Pendry Washington DC at the WAF. So here I am in
Yes.
America right now.
Thank you so much, Ryan. So let's go back to the very beginning. I wanted to ask what inspired you to pursue an international experience, and what was the journey like from making that decision to arriving to Washington? Basically, what led you to that final decision?
All right. Thank you for your question. Yeah. This is my the big opportunity actually for me to going to abroad, especially in the USA, because was one of my biggest dream going to USA, and yeah, finally with the placement international, I can through this process from the beginning until the end, so that I make decision until I make decision for choosing this property because it's very good property. I thought because the location is the wow, so yeah, near a lot of things. So in the middle of Washington DC is so pretty cool.
That's great. So you love Washington already, right?
Yes, from the internet, and I look for before about my property. Where's the location? Where is the near? Where is the dwarf and something like that? So I learned about my property before.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. My other question would be, so basically for you to be already in Washington, before that you had to do interviews, different interviews. And my question is, was there a moment during the process that stood out to you, maybe something unexpected, or a time you really felt you made a strong impression, or maybe there was like a question that really surprised you, or everything was normal, everything was chill for you?
Yeah, probably it was so hectic for me because this is my first time going to USA, and hopefully my placement international helped me from how to make the document, how to interview, how to make me comfortable, how to make me yeah great, how to interview with the company, something like that. So it's a unique impression for me. It's really experience for me going through the process until arriving
And
in the
also,
USA.
if you would give an advice for other people who will be doing interviews with different property, would you say that it was a little bit scary, or that you were confident in yourself and everything was completely fine and you don't need to be scared about those interviews? What would you say?
Well, probably I gonna say just take the opportunity, and yeah, you have to believe by
Yeah.
yourself. You have to believe yourself, and you have to believe the decision, because the opportunity is just one time. So you have to take your the big decision. You have to take this the big chance for you, for yourself, for your bright future. So don't think too much about everything. Just yeah, you have to think this is the big opportunity, and you have to prepare yourself to ready to get be successful in
Okay,
this
yeah, so
future.
just basically go with it and everything will be fine. Okay,
Yes,
I agree.
absolutely.
So my then question will be when you first found out you'd be joining the team at Pendry Washington DC, the wharf. What was your initial reaction? How did you feel knowing you'd be part of such remarkable property? Were you happy that you finally achieved what you were dreaming of? And yeah.
Yes, it was first I come into this property is very welcome. There are a lot of my colleagues, yeah, welcome me and shake hands to me and hello, Ryan. Welcome on board, and this is your new home, and this is yeah everything was grateful for me, and yeah, this is the yeah such as beautiful moment in my life. A lot of people, yeah, a lot of people shake hands to me and hello,
That's
what is your
great.
name? Where you from? And this is yeah, talk about my personality and everything. So it's
So
such as a
you
good,
weren't when you
good,
Yeah,
good
so when you
impression for
first
me.
came to the property, you weren't scared or anything. So everybody was welcoming and everything was fine, right? And also
Yes.
another question, I know that USA, like you have different cultures. Did it bother you at the beginning or you were already like you found the same language with everyone and like
Mm.
how was it? Was it difficult?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, probably is it was difficult for me. It was yeah. Yeah, I'm culture shock. Also, I'm culture shock because from the South Asia going to
Yes,
different continent,
I
different yeah.
understand.
So that from the food, from the culture, from the language as well, because you know
Yeah.
the accents. And sometimes I can't catch up the accents because the different accents how to
Mm-hmm.
speak they are, but it was so pretty cool for me. It was an amazing experience for me. But I'm trying to get. Oh yeah, I have to learn about this. So I learn by day, and so yeah, it's a good unique impression from me. For the first day, I'm going to such as buy about the something food, and then wow, it was different taste for me because
Yeah.
Asian food is different
Yes.
with the you know the
American
American
burgers,
food.
French
So
fries.
oh wow,
Yeah.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So it was oh my god, this is the first uh, you know the first thing I ever ate this one. Oh my god, this is the new test for me. So
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
it's
I
cool.
think by the end of your internship, you will be speaking like a real American, going to your home country with the burger and French fries and saying like, I don't need Asian food anymore. I'm American.
Probably yes. I thought my my tongue will be changed to
Yeah.
American directly.
Okay, and I think my last question would be looking ahead, what's one thing you really hope to achieve, learn, or take away from your time there? So, what is one thing that you think like that you want to learn during your internship? You can give just one.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, a lot of work to say, but I hope I can observe everything from my internship during my study, so I can implementation for my daily activity in my career job in the future
Okay, that's
later.
amazing. And I know that you gave already a lot of advices, but maybe there's one more advice that you can give to all the candidates that are in the program or are searching for job offers and everything. Is there an advice that you can give them?
Absolutely, I have a lot of advice for you guys to join this program and join this the big chance for you, the big opportunity for you. So just do it, just do it. Don't think too much. So because this is the next step for your life, for your future, for your bright future. So if you don't take this opportunity, you can yeah, later you cannot do this thing again, because our our yeah, our future is in our hand. So no matter how hard you are,
Take the
but
opportunity.
just think, yeah, take the big opportunity for you to the next change, to the next
Thank you so
future.
much, Ryan. It was very helpful. Thank you so much for this interview, that you were able to reply to my questions and everything. It was lovely having
Mm,
you today. Thank you so much.
mm.